welcome back. Again, this is our allotment journey. Today's video we are going to be making a pea frame. I'm just going to take these rest of these cabbages out. Might get some seeds sown for the overwintering stuff. Might be a little bit of a harvest, some peas, courgettes, beans, broad beans, and I'm going to start moving some paving. So guys, as you can see, this massive area almost prepared for the polytunnel. It's coming in 5 days. So what I want to do is that row of paving going up there beside the raised beds is coming out, because that whole bed where the tunnel is as well is going to be all raised beds. So for the polytunnel I want a wide path for the door. The door's nearly a metre wide, so that 2 foot wide path there is going to be no good. So we're going to put those 5 slabs down here to make a wide entrance. So that stick there is where the tunnel's going to start from. The piece I put in about 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks tomorrow. Doing great, so we need to get a pea frame made for that. I'm going to get a couple of these potatoes out that's in the way. And then we're just going to get rid of these 5 cabbages out of here. Just a minging, been absolutely decimated, so we'll get them up. Garden's starting to really thin out now. We did sow some brassicas, but they haven't really done very well. So I'm going to re-sow those. Emma's just cutting these thorns back over the fence. We're looking at getting a Parkside 4-in-1 petrol strimmer. So it comes with the strimmer attachment, a bush cutter, a long reach hedge cutter, and a chainsaw attachment. £129 from Lidl. So we're possibly going to be getting that next week. If you look, we have the same issue every year for this. We did cut it back hard last year, but obviously it's grown, so that hedge cut is going to come very handy. So we're going to have a bit of play with that when it comes. So I'm going to go and do some measurements, guys. Get my wood out and stuff, set it up, and I'll bring you back and we'll get some of this frame made. Right guys, pea frame. I've marked out a couple of lengths for the legs. Don't have a lot of timber for this, so I'm going to have to make do with what we have. We've only got 2.4 metre lengths. And ideally we could really do with 2.8. So this is going to be top in the bottom. I'm going to use these lengths here for the 2 sides, and I'll cut one of these spare pieces off for the middle, so it's only going to have 2 feet into the ground. So I've already marked this. Mm-hmm. So there's one leg. So this whole piece here is going to be for the mesh, and this bit's going to be in the ground. And then I've replicated that here. Got new way to work. Cut this here. Right, so that's me 2 legs. There and there. So we're going to grab a few of these long screws. So, not sure whether to do like that.
Give it a bit extra length here.
Sure. Let's start this off here. Sorry guys, I should have been a bit more prepared, but I am not. Right, so that's going to be the top. Losing my mind, guys. I'll do the same on the other side. I'll do the same on this one. I'll get these screwed in, guys, and then I'll come back to you in a second. Right, guys, I'm getting them screwed in there. These staples out. So I'm trying to do this one-handed. See how far we get. Looks quite high, doesn't it? Obviously it's on the ground, but try and hold out with one hand, baby. So that's most of the frame built. The tricky part for me now, guys, is going to be getting this on. So I'm going to do it off camera, but once that's on where it needs to be, we'll cut another piece for the centre section and we'll get that screwed in, and we'll bring you back when I'm ready to put the mesh on. Hey guys, that's the frame sort of built. Getting this mesh off Gary, the garden novice. And thank you again, mate. I'm not working on this soil, it's horrible. So I got a new brum brum. Right, so if I record Emma, she can get this rolled out and get some staples in it. So we're just going to use the staple gun for now. These are 12mm, and then once it's secured, we'll get some proper big staples in there. So probably just get it straight. A couple of staples in to secure it, and we'll roll it out and tighten it up.
Amber, come here, darling.
It's still warm, guys. Not as hot as has been, but still warm nevertheless. So if my measurements are correct, this should be the perfect width.
Put them in a little bit longer.
Might need a little trim here and there. I've got some wire cutters. I measured it at 90. I measured it at 90mm, and that's what I cut the timber to. So, anyway guys, I'll give Emma a hand with this, and we'll bring you back when I put it in. Right guys, frame is complete. Happy with that. So that's going to go here with these peas. So we just need to get these few potatoes up, get them out of way. So I've got my trusty fork, and we're going to give these ones to Malcolm. So I'm okay for you?
Thank you very much. They're beautiful, let me know.
They are, they're gorgeous.
I love black potatoes.
As you can see guys, they're gorgeous. Lovely them. You just take what you want, darling.
You're saying I'm giving this to miserable Malcolm. I saw that.
I'm gonna take a few more up and you can just help yourself. So we're sick of potatoes. Take a lot if you want.
Do you not mind?
No.
Well, I'll go and get it.
So that's off the next row, isn't it? Oh, on that one.
Is that just off one?
That's just one, yeah. Crazy, isn't it?
Thank you very much.
Some more here.
No, absolutely.
Are you sure?
Yeah, they'll keep for a little bit if you don't wash them. There'll be enough here yourself. And mash again in.
Yeah, I don't mind mash, it's gorgeous, I love it.
Oh, it's a tiny one.
No, unfortunately, well, unless you part cook them and...
Oh, I can't be bothered with. I'm saying that one. That's the jacket potato, that one.
Oh yeah.
Jacket potatoes.
I like jacket potatoes, absolutely loads under here.
We have them with mackerel.
Oh, I love mackerel as well.
We've got mackerel in the freezer.
I wouldn't eat that mackerel.
And with salad. We have that quite a lot.
That one's been caught.
Oh, there's another one for me too. I need to try that and just see.
I know.
Emma, you're not cooking for this area? No. I don't know.
Some more if you want them.
No, I've got enough there, thank you.
That one's... just caught that one with spade.
One there, okay.
But you can imagine how many we're going to have when I take these up.
Yeah.
Mental.
Well, we managed to get our way through them. Like a lot of them last year.
We gave so many away last year.
Do you use a lot of potatoes? I'm
Not particularly, no.
But they make nice chips as well. I only ever buy the bags the frozen, like the oven ones. Now, maybe I'll have to do that with you. I didn't eat chips for years. So I met Amy's like, what have I never seen you cook? It's chips.
Get that chip pan on, pet. Right, anyway guys, teas are out. We're going to get this in. So we'll bring it back in a second. Hey guys, welcome back. 1p frame, pretty chuffed for that. Although it was a bit of a nightmare to dig it in, like, quite deep. Ground's rock hard. So I was going to give it a coat of paint, but it's a P frame. So that will ding dang do for us anyway. So anyway guys, that's probably going to be us today, but no doubt I'll bring it back round tomorrow. I'm going to try and get some of them seeds done. So much I want to get done today and hasn't happened, so I'll catch you in 1 second. Right guys, welcome back. It's the next day, Monday. I've had a few hours round this morning, didn't really record anything. Finished off the paving, done some sowing. So I'll spin you round. So there's a double path, all done. So that's going to be the start of the tunnel there. I was tempted earlier to take this first row of potatoes out, just because they do overhang the path a little bit, but I thought no, we'll just leave them. Anyway, I have tried to save some of the last seedlings. Them spuds now, massive. Looking forward to doing the harvest on them. So, I've resown lettuce all year round, the autumn calabrese, cauliflower all year round, another cauliflower, Dicilia, it's a red collie, planted another sown of beetroot. These are the sowns I did on the 1st of July. So I'm going to see if I can save them. These were in the greenhouse and they were on the bottom shelf, so they were leggy. So I've just planted them really deep, see if anything comes from them or not. Grapes galore, guys, but they're not really getting any bigger. So I've already had a quick water when I was out here earlier. Just picked them up from work. Do have frozen stuff in the car, so we're not staying for long. But hard to think, guys. In a few days' time, this should be all fancy polytunnel. But look at the shade on this side of the plot. Once it gets to about 4 or 5 o'clock, we're just in the shade. So yeah, hopefully once this tunnel's gone, it might be a little bit better. Once I get that petrol strimmer with all the attachments on, we'll try and tackle some of these. That is the problem there. That tree, the sun's right behind it, and it is blocking all the light out. So yeah, I don't think any of them is really going to make any difference, to be fair. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Just came round just to finish this video off, and thank you all for watching. Please hit that subscribe, that like, hype, and catch you on the next one.
Bye.